So it's Saturday evening and we got a little extra time. Let's make some smoked chicken enchiladas. First, you got to get yourself some chicken, poke some holes in it. Second, we're going to throw on some wood and water barbecue, chicken fish rub. Now we've got that completely coated on the top, we're going to roll these guys over and hit it with some taco seasoning. Now we want to let our chicken sit for pretty much as long as we can. And now we go to the store because we forgot tortillas. Next, we fire up the smoker. While we wait, trying out a new beer, I'm gonna give this guy an 8 out of 10. Next, we grate up our favorite cheese. And this stuff kind of crumbles more than it grates. And while it's super smoky, we're gonna go ahead, throw our chicken. In about an hour, they're ready to come off. Now let's shred them up. And boom, shredded chicken. Now it's time to assemble. Let's mix our chicken in. Now that we've got our chicken in, let's throw in a little bit of that quesadilla cheese. Time to assemble. Little red sauce to your dish. One tortilla ready to go. Not too much. And just a sprinkle of cheese. Let's roll it up into the bath. For the final touch, a drizzle of sauce. Throw these in the oven, 375, until the cheese melts on top. All right, and there it is. 20 minutes in the oven. Let's go see what the ladies think about this. And what do the ladies think?
We approve. We're not approves, always.
Oh,
Let's very
yeah.
go.